You ever open a girl's chat, type out a message, delete it, type again, delete again, and then just stare at your screen like, bro, how do I not mess this up? Yeah, we've all been there. You don't want to sound dry, you don't want to come off as clingy, and at the same time, you're low-key hoping she replies fast and calls you funny. This video is not about pickup lines, not about corny scripts. This is about how to actually attract a girl through texting. The way that feels real, just genuine energy, and a little bit of strategy that most guys never even think about. Let's turn texting from your biggest stress into your biggest advantage. Alright, before we even get into the actual messages, you gotta understand this. Texting does not create attraction, it amplifies it. So if you're texting her thinking, okay, let me be interesting so she likes me, you're already off track, man. Instead, flip the script. You're not here to impress. You're here to show her your vibe, your tone, your confidence. Because texting isn't about what you say. It's about how it feels to talk to you. That's what builds attraction. So stop asking ChatGPT for replies and just be the guy who texts like someone who has options and actually knows his worth. Okay, the very first message you send, super important. What you don't want to send is, hey, or the classic, what's up? Nah, bro, that's a nap in text form. That's basically saying, hey, I have no personality. Please carry this conversation because I'm a dumbass scared person when it comes to girls. We're not doing that. Instead, call back to something from when you met, or something funny you noticed about her. For example, you met at a friend's party, so you text, still laughing at your awkward little dance moment? That takes guts. I respect it. Or, she said something funny when giving her number, so you text, your fake serious look while handing me your number, 10 out of 10 performance. You get the idea. Make it specific, make it fun, make her smile when she reads it. That's how you stand out. This is the part most guys get wrong. They text like their whole self-worth depends on the reply. They double text, they send essays, they overthink every emoji. Chill. Here's what texting with confidence actually looks like. Keep your messages short. Don't reply instantly every time. End the convo first sometimes. Don't overshare. Let her wonder a little bit. Let's say she texts, I'm bored. Most guys go, oh my god, same lol, what you doing? You go, be careful. That's how people end up in situations they can't explain to their friends. Now she's smiling. Now she's thinking. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to stop trying too hard. Here's the cheat code nobody tells you. Girls don't text for information. They text for vibes. That means if your messages are all how's work and what are you doing, you're slowly killing the spark. Instead, ask stuff that sparks emotion, like, you seem like the type who texts, I'll sleep early tonight, and then ends up binge-watching random videos with zero regrets. Or, okay, serious question. Are you secretly this fun in real life, or is this your online personality shining? These spark reactions. Reactions create feeling. Feeling builds interest. And when she laughs or thinks, she associates those moments with you. That's how attraction works over text. Let's talk what not to do. Double texting when she's dry. If she's not giving energy, don't give extra. Paragraphs. You're texting, not writing a diary entry. Thirsty compliments. Hey cutie, you're so gorgeous. Bro, calm down. She's not a Disney princess. Instead, say something cool, like, you've got this chaotic good energy I can't quite figure out. I like it. It's playful. It's unique, and it sounds like you've got taste. Time to build some real tension. Flirting isn't about pickup lines. It's about little sparks of curiosity and fun. For example, you give off that I'll walk the wrong way with full confidence kind of energy. Or, You seem like the type who'd steal someone's fries, then say, "I was just tasting it." That's how you make her feel like this isn't just any random guy. This is someone who gets it. Bonus tip: use voice notes. Send a calm, slightly teasing voice message. Try, "I don't know what it is about you, but texting you feels like a little side quest. I kinda like it." Voice adds tone. Tone adds depth. And trust me, she'll listen to that more than once. Now, if the vibe is flowing, don't just keep texting forever. You're not trying to be her pen pal. You're trying to meet her. So here's how you ask her out. "You're fun. We should grab a drink sometime. I want to see if your sarcasm game is as good in person." Simple, confident, clear. You're not begging, you're inviting. And if she says no, cool, you move on, because your time is valuable. Final rule: match her energy. If she's dry, don't send fire. If she's slow, slow down. If she ghosts, don't follow up with, "Did I say something wrong?" You're not here to beg, you're here to connect. If it's mutual, you'll feel it. If not, cool, you've got options. Because you're not just learning how to text, you're learning how to attract. Attracting a girl through texting isn't about magic words. It's about energy, timing, and confidence. Keep your tone playful, keep your vibe grounded, and always keep it real. If this helped, hit subscribe, because next time we're talking about what to say on the first date and what not to do if you want a second one. Drop your worst ever text attempt in the comments. I won't laugh. Okay, maybe I will. Just a little.